I got this box. You see what it says? I was lucky enough to get a test vehicle from Kraken, KV5TT, and Biddy's very excited. He wants the box. Hey babies, come on. Come on, you get down here. You get down here. Oh, it's very exciting. I've been watching these for 2 years now. I already have the Vecta 5, I really love. Oh, it's such a big box. So this thing was ran by Vecta. So it comes with free dirt, that's what they said. Which I don't mind. Oh, there's a box in the box. Oh, lazy cat. Oh my god. And that's so pretty. Oh, I should probably open it the other way. Spin it. Oh, look at it. Such a pretty box. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh, so exciting. So, I gotta figure out how to open it. It's not that way. Oh. So I'll cut the front of it. It's a good box. Smaller knife this time. A lot of people complained on the channel. And I'd like to thank everybody that's been subscribing lately, because it's going crazy. I really enjoy the RC. Oh my god. Doesn't your heart get pumping when you open a box? It's so good. Oh my god. It's huge. Oh, I hear tires. This has to go that way. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, it's a roller. It's a roller. There's more parts in there. They even sent spare parts. Wow. Oh wow. This is big. Oh my god. I don't know what these are for yet, but we will see. I have no idea. Spare arms. Looks like a spare bumper. Spare lower arms. Oh, I don't even know how the body comes off. I know nothing about it. No motor in it, servos. And this dirt is from, I think it comes from California, so I guess it's California dirt, huh? Make it warm. Oh yeah. Nice. Good suspension. The big arms. Oh, I don't know how the body comes off though. Must be the same as my other one. Is there a pin in here? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure. Well, there's screws in it. Okay, it's screwed on. But very nice. Does it look like underneath? Oh. The worst thing about getting a new one is the first scratch.
You're covered.
So I'm covered. Oh, look at that drive shaft. Look at that rear end. It's just huge. Oh. These scratches were brought to you by Kraken. Thanks, guys. I love it. Yeah, I can't wait to get this done. And I think I'm going electric. So, yeah, because I have the gas version, Vecta 5, and this is going to be going electric. So stay tuned. I'm going to be having some fun.